Hi everybody. Well, I'm going to do what one should never do. Attempt to start this bike in a closed garage. Don't do this. I won't give it too much time or effort. Alright. Lights on. Engine stop is set to where it should be good in the center. Choke is all the way on. Fuel is just on. Never can figure out how to do primer reserve on this thing. Alright. I'll give it 2 shots. If I don't hear something, I'll give up and yank the spark plugs out. Didn't find a spark plug wrench yet, so that might be a foolish game. Here, let's give it a try. Not any sound at all. Nothing. I should have heard something go toop. I don't like this Kickstarter. It's way down too low and it doesn't. Ooh boy, I do smell gasoline. Yeah. Wow, so she must be flooded. Ooh. Oh, look at that. The battery died. That's it. Weak battery. Charging system issues. That's why I didn't get any spark. Okay. Time to play battery games. No. Yeah, look how dim that is. Well, I've been playing Hondas for the last few decades. And when a Honda gives you trouble, it's always the battery. So it looks like I have a Honda. Alright, battery charger. Well, so much for living. I've got to deal with the battery. Bye guys, I'll be shutting her down here. As I hook up a battery charger, because that would fully explain the problem. For the record, I hate batteries, and I hate motors that require batteries. Hate, 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 hate. Alright, love y'all. Bye.